Hello everyone. So in this short video, I want to share with you how you can install Google Analytics into your WordPress website without a plugin. Okay, so previously I've shared with you to use a Google plugin to install Google Analytics into your WordPress website, but I understand some of you do not like the idea of plugin and just want to inject right away the Google Analytics codes into your WordPress website. But there are one major disadvantage which I will share with you later. So now I will show you how to do it without plugin. Okay, I would still suggest that if you can just use the plugin method which I've shown in another video. Okay, so if you want to install Google Analytics without plugin, you just need to go to your analytics.google.com. You need to create a new account, which is over here. There's a gear setting over here. Once you click on it, you can create an account. So I've already created an account for my website, what'sfreetoday.com. So once you have created an account, you can come to this page. And over this page under property, you can see there's an option called data streams. So just click on data streams and it will load your website details. Click on this arrow over here and scroll down under Google tag. You need to get this view tag instructions. So click on this arrow again and it will load up two ways to help you to install the analytics. So just select the install manually. Then this is the coding. So just copy the Google Analytics code. And the instruction here is to paste the code in every page of your website immediately after the head element. So I'm going to show you where you can find this. So go back to your WordPress website and go to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Okay, so click on Theme File Editor. And you can see over here at the right side, you should see there's a file called theme header. The file name is header.php. So click on this file. And once you click on that file, you can see this is the head tag. So just now, Google's instruction is to paste the code immediately after head tag. So I can place my cursor here and then right click, paste as plain text. So it will paste the tag here. And if I click update file, then it will be saved. So this is how you install Google Analytics into your WordPress website without having a plugin. Okay, so there's one major disadvantage, which is if in future you were to update your WordPress theme, go to theme and you click on update, this file might be overwritten by new header.php. And if this file is overwritten by your new themes update, then this code will disappear. So you will need to paste the codes again in future if you update theme. Okay, so this one thing you need to take note. So at the end of the day, I would still recommend you to choose the plugin method if you are okay with it. Okay, so refer to the other video to learn how you can install Google Analytics code using the plugin which is officially released by Google. So I hope that you find this video useful. If you have any questions, just post in the comments below. Thank you.